This is like we're in an example. You shouldn't be talking to me. I'm not even chatting to you.
Really? Foundation already, and you call me competitive.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fubi for those who are new, and I've got a special guest here. Her name is
CHRISTABEL. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay, so today we are going to be doing a 10-minute challenge.
Yeah, a 10-minute challenge.
Makeup challenge.
I'm going to win, by the way. Hope you lot just stood prepared for the winning of my... Yeah, I'm just letting you guys know I'm going to...
Okay, so I'm going to put the timer on.
Okay, but now?
Yes, now for like 10 minutes. What are you getting out?
You do.
Alright, the time starts now. So 10.
Oh, so I know?
Yeah, so 10
okay,
now.
Oh my god! Oh, my moisture. I know, should we show it? Or what we're using?
It's up to you if you want to waste time.
Oh, okay. Let me not even do. I'm going to put my moisturizing. I haven't moisturized yet, so I'm going to moisturize.
I can't see my face.
I'm maybe going to... Okay, I need something.
Really, this looks like there's also 4.
Is it bending?
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at the monitor as a mirror, I imagine. This is not... That's not smart. Okay. Where's my primer? Okay, put my primer. Okay. Primer.
10 minutes. Oh my god.
Okay. Foundation already, and you call me competitive. I'm still priming.
Sis, in this life,
I forget to
just do what you can
to do. I'm taking my time now. But
don't worry, guys. All the things that we use, I'm gonna list it in the description.
Yeah.
Because nobody got time to let you know.
Don't worry. I'm gonna catch up with you in a second.
Let me.
I don't know if you can see that yet.
Yeah, because you already got brows, so I'm gonna pause that.
Brows? I don't have brows. Brows?
Yeah, you have brows.
I don't have them.
You have more brows than I do.
I don't even have that much.
I've resumed it.
Okay, is it? Okay.
I don't know where the mirror is.
Okay. I'm gonna start my concealer first. Just my everyday makeup, every day. To the shops.
Hey, what is going on with my foundation? Okay, so this is me pretending like I want to get the train in like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh my goodness, I don't think I'm going to be doing all of that if I was going to get the train in 10 minutes. So, why?
Okay.
I'm usually very organized with this stuff.
Well, you're doing your brows now. Like I shouldn't have bragged in the beginning.
Hey!
I shouldn't have even said anything. I'm going to win. I'm going to win, by the way. I'm going to win, by the way. I'm going to win, by the way. Don't
even try me. Because you know, this is like we're in an example. You shouldn't be talking to me. I'm not even chatting to you.
Really?
Because
wow.
you're trying to slow me down on purpose.
I see how it is now.
Yes.
Don't worry.
This life is all about competition.
Oh, wow.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
No.
It's not that deep, to be honest. Oh my goodness. Wow, you chose today to mess me up. See, brows are always the ones that take time.
I know, Krista, exactly.
But yeah, we'll do something. Oh my god, the time is going.
And I'm not even in focus anymore. Okay, now, is it on to focus?
I don't know, look at the monitor. Oh my goodness. I'm not about to talk to Christopher. This girl, she has a game plan. Asking me questions that are obvious. Things that she can do herself.
I'm trying to put you, I'm just asking questions.
No.
Oh no.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, my brows look strange.
No, but they look nice though.
Lies, you can't even see them.
No, I can see on the monitor. It looks really nice.
This girl, you're spending time looking at yourself. I can see at the monitor. You're so vain.
I'm not. It's called self-love, guys. It's called self-love.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, it's called self-love.
I know what this brows will do. We're trying to get on the train. We're not talking to nobody on the train, so it doesn't really matter what they think. Mate, where is my brow thingy? Okay, found it. So we are I don't know if this is gonna be edited, by the way. It wouldn't be edited because it has to show.
Yes, all these parts have to show.
Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at you because I'm really busy.
I think you understand because this is life with death.
No, it's not that deep for me. Sorry love, it's not that deep for me.
This is a serious issue because I've said already that I'm gonna win. So now I have to fulfill my win.
You do. Because if you don't win, if you don't look presentable,
I doubt it. Well,
I actually don't think it's a fair thing though, because I think you're already pretty. So
oh, thank you.
I think you're
no, you know you actually, your makeup actually inspires me small because you know when you do all this stuff where I'm like, I don't know how to do that on myself.
This girl just trying to wash me now.
Like I don't do all these colours, I only do like simple smoky eye, or I don't do all that on my face. So when I see you do, I'm like, oh, I wish I could just slap on blue and call it, I'm nice with you, and look nice and call it a day.
I actually like, I'm happy that you said that though, but I'm actually very adventurous when it comes to makeup.
That's really good. Me, I'm not with myself. For clients, I can do blue if you want, but for myself, I'm like, I'm a bit scared it's gonna look right. I have because I think it's quite small.
Yeah.
So I can't really do much with my face.
I don't really do makeup anyway. The only time I wear makeup is like on Sundays.
Oh really?
Yeah. On Sundays alone. Every other day.
I try to wear it if I'm going maybe to like just shopping. I try to just do something a bit nice. You never know who you're going to meet on the way.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah. And clients have really approached me because of the way I look, my makeup looks bad. Like, oh, okay, come on, book you. Like, they can book you. People have approached me like, oh, I like your makeup, and I book you. Yeah, I can book me. This is why I try to at least do makeup a bit nice when I go out.
Yeah, and it's actually a good one though.
It's a good advertisement. Yeah. They see you looking nice, they want to do it as well. Yeah,
true that.
It's quite a smart way to advertise yourself.
And what I found out is that most people actually don't like the loud theatrical looks. They usually go for like the soft beat, the one that you usually have on.
Yeah, the natural, yeah,
the natural look.
Back in the day, everyone was doing that whole highlighted brows.
Yeah,
glitter. Like now everyone.
No, everyone likes glitter. Yeah, even clients don't.
They want a soft glam.
Some people tell you, no, I don't want glitter.
Yeah, I want a simple soft glam.
And I'm just like, oh wow, okay.
But I don't blame them. Like, it looked crazy. I don't know what everyone was thinking. Even me, I was thinking of wearing glitter.
Yeah, but I like glitter. I actually like every type of makeup. I think it all depends on where I'm going with them.
And who's doing it.
Yeah. Like if I'm going to church, I don't like to do too much. It's just extra, unbothered.
Yeah, I try to not do too much. My makeup is already really loud. And if I start on this glitter, I'm going to look crazy.
Besides, like, I don't even have that much time because we have to be in church by 9.
That is true. Mine's in the afternoon, so I just take my time.
Yeah.
Well, not anymore. Tomorrow, I'm going to be rushing tomorrow now. I know that I will rush. I might even not do makeup tomorrow at this point.
Yeah, workers have to be in church by 9, so I haven't got time to be doing glitter. And it's not even night time. The glitter is not going to pop. Only if it's night time, I think. So
I'm not even a worker in Charlton yet, so no, I'm not a worker, so I'm not going to rush to make it there by now. I'm going to take my sweet time. Brows are done.
Good job. Good job, girl.
Thank you.
Wow.
No, please.
The fine people. She wants to win the money. It's a serious something.
It's serious. He said I don't have to win. If I don't win, glory be to God, be fun.
I don't want to hear if I don't win, glory be to God, because the way you said that you want to win, please, I don't want to hear.
Because when I say this here, I actually end up winning. Because even in that you think we didn't, I just telling me how, I was like, look, what was me? I'm going to win, you know, I'm going to win, and I actually won the game.
Yeah.
Like, I would just think, this boy should have challenged me. Like, excuse me, I don't even know you, sir. Now you told me I'm not going to challenge you, and now I'm going to win.
So, do you know what? I can't remember. This is long.
What time is it now? Hey!
We got 1 minute left.
No way.
Yes way.
Okay.
When you hear
No, I haven't even done my eyeshadow. Should I do eyeshadow or not? Okay, I'm gonna leave eyeshadow then. It's fine.
You can do eyeshadow. Let me encourage you.
No, but you want me to leave? There's no way.
Do eyeshadow. It's very important for you. Eyeshadow is gonna bring your lip together.
How about you? Why can't you do eyeshadow?
Let me leave it to you.
No way. You have to be smart in this game. Put a trap me.
I believe you are. You're being smart, eh?
You need to be a bit smart. Okay.
I don't even know where my stuff is. Like,
my brows look very bright on camera.
You should see this table right now. It's a right mess.
It's actually a hot mess.
It's a right mess.
And this is me in the morning. Like, this is me in the morning. Everything is just everywhere in the morning, going out.
Yeah.
It's never organized.
Your makeup table is always messed up. I don't know anyone who does makeup and it's not messed up. Like not all the time, but I mean it's like when you're doing the makeup actually.
No, mine's always a mess.
Ah!
I didn't even mascara.
Time up.
Tell me what's up.
Hey.
Can they see?
Yeah, I think so.
I didn't even put on mascara.
I think you look great.
I didn't even. You look more glam than me. I didn't even do anything. And I think you want to challenge, so I'm gonna lie to you.
No, I don't think so.
I was trying to blend my contour. I was like, no, this is. Anyways, I did say I'm going to win, so you know, should put it in the comments who actually won. I think she actually won because she looks amazing. Aww. Mine looks quite rushed.
No,
it was 10 minutes anyways. So.
I actually said before we started that it's not fair because you already look nice naturally. So there's no point, there's no stage where we get to, you're actually still gonna look nice.
No, but you look, no, but this is actually nice glam. No, you should even wear it to church tomorrow. You should, it looks nice. Oh, that's not fair. Oh, never again, 10 minutes.
You chose 10 minutes. I asked you 15 minutes, you said no, 10 minutes.
Yeah, but
you said you were gonna win this one. So this should win, guys.
Let's see who won in the comments.
Put it in the comment section if she actually won.
I tried.
Yeah, it's a good try. I actually think this is nice. You know when you watch it on YouTube, people doing it, you're thinking I can do that. Like,
yeah, but it's actually it's hard.
It's hard.
You
actually need to try it. This table is a hot mess right now.
It is. Imagine.
Oh, you're able to she's able to spray.
Let me try and salvage it a little bit.
No, it's beyond redemption. You need to start over. That brings us to the end of this challenge. If you enjoyed it, please do like this video, subscribe, share this video. I'm going to leave her IG handle. I'm going to put it in the description.
EG, no, my IG, sorry, not EG.
I'm going to put it in the description below if you want to stalk her. I'm kidding. If you want to follow her, you should definitely check her out. Yes. She's really, really cool. And yeah, she's also a makeup artist like myself. So if you want to book her, you can go and check her page. And then
thank you for the little promotion.
Yeah,
sis.
Anytime, girl.
Thank you.
If you want to see more CHRISTABEL on this show, definitely put in the comment section below. I actually definitely enjoyed having you here.
Oh, thank you. Nice being here, man. I like being here. It's fun. It's fun.
And yeah, have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Yeah, and that's it. So that's the end of this challenge.
Sorry, I'm choking a bit about myself. Sorry, it's not COVID, guys. Don't worry.